Oh, well, whatever. Screw it. Hey guys, so the strangest thing happened when I woke up today. I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning, which is not me every day. I try to aim for that, but it's not me every day. But I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning feeling completely refreshed, which never ever happens to me. Like, that hasn't happened to me since I was like 11 years old. I can only think of one time where that happened since the age of 11 up until now. And that's from the age of 11 to 30. So that's how many years? About almost 20 years. 19 years. So I haven't felt this way in 19 years, except for one occasion, but I'm not going to get into details about that because that's none of anybody's business. That's between me and whoever else was involved in this situation. Anyway, but the strangest thing happened this morning. Not only did I wake up feeling refreshed, I woke up feeling incredibly happy. And that was before drinking my MRA juice. I woke up feeling incredibly happy, just knowing in my gut that something really, really good was going to happen today. And I don't know if that's already happened or if it's going to happen or what it's going to be. But the last time I felt that gut feeling, I remember sitting down in the living room with my son's father and his best friend, one of his best buddies, while we were still together. And I just blurted out all of a sudden. I was like, I don't know what, but I have this really good feeling. Something really good is about to happen. And I remember I looked up and I prayed to God and I said, God, well, I did it discreetly because there was people around, but in my head I looked up and I prayed to God and I said, God, please let me be pregnant. And I didn't know, get this, I didn't know for 2 months, but it turned out that I was spot on with exactly what had happened. And my body was sensing that. Now, that's definitely not the case this time because I haven't been with anybody that way in at least like 3 or 4 years. So it's not possible for that to be the case right now. So it's definitely not that. But that is the last time I remember feeling that happy and that much of that intuitive gut feeling of something really, really good is going to happen. Well, not gut feeling, because a gut feeling is a bad feeling. Something bad's going to happen. It's more of a feeling up here. A tightness in your heart that you feel like your heart's just going to burst or like explode because it's just so full of love. Like, that's how I felt when I woke up this morning. And I had this thought, something amazing is going to happen today. And I still don't know what that is yet. But as you can see, I'm extremely happy. But another crazy, wacky thing happened. Like, something took off out of my yard and almost ended up on the road, which was kind of an emergency, so I had to get it out of the way of the road immediately. And luckily some neighbors came over to help me with that this morning. But even that didn't faze me. And I've just been in this upbeat, like, level state the entire day. And I have stayed there the entire day. Like, I haven't done that. I haven't been able to do that since I was probably 11 years old. No word of a lie. And I was able to do that today. And on top of that, I woke up with a song stuck in my head. And it's ridiculous because as a rule, I don't like country music and I don't listen to country music. But the song that was stuck in my head, and it's still stuck in my head on repeat, is I Like It, I Love It, I Want Some More of It by Tim McGraw. It's called I Like It, I Love It, I believe. Yes, it's called I Like It, I Love It. I don't listen to country music, but I was like drawn to that song today. So I'm gonna chance singing it. Now, I don't know how good I'm going to be at it, but I just feel like that's my heart's desire today, is I'm supposed to sing that song for you guys. So I'm going to give it my best go. Not in this video, but in my next video, which I'm going to post right after this one, because this one's getting pretty long already, and I don't like to post long videos. But I just wanted you guys to see how happy I am. I am finally at peace with my life. I am exactly where I am supposed to be, and I am exactly where I want to be. Physically, spiritually, emotionally, and mentally. I am exactly where I need to be right now. I feel it full-heartedly in every cell of my body. And it's like I'm ready to take on the entire world. But no, I'm not manic. I'm not hypomanic. I'm not like way, way up here above everyone else. No, I'm level. But I'm still extremely happy. So I don't know what changed, but I've been praying to God and some other archangels and whatnot. I actually prayed to a different angel last night that I hadn't even heard of before. And I don't know what happened, but I guess that particular angel heard my prayer stronger than the others, because I woke up feeling amazing today, and I still do. So yeah, I just wanted to say that, and I'm going to try singing I Like It, I Love It by Tim McGraw. It's a country song, and I usually, as a rule, hate country, but I've been drawn to it lately for whatever wacky reason. But that's what I've been singing, so I'm going to do another country song called I Like It, I Love It by Tim McGraw. And it seems like I'm finally reaching the point of being completely balanced out in terms of home life, and my soul purpose and my work in life. I say soul purpose because I do my angel card readings for free, because I believe it's important for there to be people out there that do offer these services for free. And I hate to say this, but honestly, like, if you do tarot or you do angel cards, or you do oracle cards, or you do anything like that, and you're charging $50 to $100 per session, I'm sorry, but I don't see that as being a pure, kind-hearted soul and just doing it out of the goodness of your heart. I do it out of the goodness of my heart just to help people. Now, I'm not saying that there's, if that's how you make your living, and that's what you want to do, all the power to you. But all I'm saying is, honestly, people are more likely to pay you for your services if you offer to do it for free first, and then they see how the reading actually goes. And I'm getting a lot of positivity from that, and a lot of people coming up to me and being like, oh my goodness, are you serious? Like, is that actually free? And I said, yes, I offer my services for free, and then I let the person decide if they want to donate money to me or not. They don't have to make a donation, but if they want to, I would absolutely accept it. Now, throughout that, people have been giving me donations, and I actually received a personal gift from somebody that came up to my table. She said, you have a gift from God, and I want to give you this. And she gave me an angel collar ball, or in other words, it's essentially a different type of pendulum, which is interesting because I actually have 3 pendulums, and I'm finding I don't resonate with them as much. But I like the angel collar ball. I like the angel collar ball a lot better because it has a much more positive connotation to it. And I find I resonate with it a lot more than I do with the pendulums. The pendulums to me are like the tarot, and I feel like I'm pushing that stuff aside because I just, like, it can have a negative dark side to it, and I don't want anything to do with the dark side of stuff. Like, some people honestly would consider me a white witch, but I don't consider myself to be that. Like, I'm not a witch. I don't want to be referred to as such, or a seer or anything like that. I just consider myself to be a spiritual helper, basically, and a spiritual healer. Because I help people spiritually, and I help people to heal spiritually. And that's what I'm supposed to do with my life, along with my how-to videos, which instruct people on how to do things like how to fix a laptop that won't connect to Wi-Fi, which has got over 4 million views, which is absolutely amazing. Because when I filmed that video, believe it or not, I actually doubted myself so much on that one that I was like, I don't even want to do this. Like, this is pointless. This is stupid. I don't want to do this. I'm not even going to get 1 view. I might get 1 view. And I was like, no, I'm going to do it anyway. Because even if I get at least 1 view, I know I've helped at least 1 person. And here I am. Here, actually, I'm going to bring it up and I'm going to show you exactly how many views I have on that video right now, as I have it in front of me. Okay, so YouTube. I'm just going to go to my channel. So I'm going to go to my channel.
Hello, my name is Cayla, and I make how-to videos.
Now if I could just, oh, there we go. I paused it. Videos, popular. And the very first one that shows up, how to fix a laptop that won't connect to Wi-Fi. And as you can see, it says it has 4.2 M views. 4.2 million views on a video that I was like, I don't want to do this. It's a waste of time. I might get one view, but nope, here I am over 4 million. And that video is just like, it erupted. And I'm so proud of myself for that because I did that. Like, that alone is going to leave a legacy behind me well after I'm gone because I know that Wi-Fi is going to be around for a very long time. And people are always going to run into issues with it, right? So that's going to leave a legacy behind me. My beaded mosaics that I'm starting to make are going to leave a legacy behind me. When I leave this world, I want to leave a huge legacy behind me where every single person on the planet knows or has heard of me. And you know what? I'm going to do it. No, I'm not manic. I'm not high. I just drink Amari Happy Juice. And I feel absolutely, incredibly, 100% healthy and exactly where I should be at. Completely at equilibrium. Or just like floating through life like this. Completely stable. Not up, not down, not like this, not like a yo-yo anymore. As this so-called bipolar diagnosis was created from me being like a yo-yo because I was for a long time. But I wasn't actually bipolar. It was other stuff going on that psychiatry just can't understand. I just know I'm in a state right now where absolutely nothing and nobody, nothing in this entire universe can touch my positive vibes right now. Like, that's where I'm at. I'm just emitting so much positive energy out there to people that, like, it's crazy. Like, I'm gaining so many followers on Facebook. I'm getting more subscribers on YouTube. I'm doing my angel card readings. I'm really resonating with them. I'm really resonating with people. I'm really helping people out. I'm pursuing my life purpose, part of it at least. Because my life purpose is to help people in every which way possible. That's by doing how-to videos, by doing angel card readings, but I also have some other gifts from God that I would really like to use. I'm just not quite there yet, but I'm gonna get there. But I'm finally at that state where absolutely nothing can touch my positive vibes. Like, no. I'm at a state where it's literally like I put up a barrier. It's like, pfft, negativity, just go away, fly away, leave me alone, don't touch me. And I have this like magnetic aura around me now. I have what's called a rainbow aura, which means that I have a little piece of every single color that you can have in your aura in my aura. And your aura is the energy field all around you. And people are really, really, really picking up on that, and they're like magnetized to me now. And it's like, boom, boom. People are just like drawn to me like 10 times more than normal. And I absolutely love it because I want to be in the spotlight. Like, my mom hates it because she's very quiet and conservative, but no, I want to be in the spotlight. I want to be like famous. I want to leave a legacy behind me when I leave this world. I'm finally pursuing my hopes and dreams and goals in life, like actively pursuing it. I always wanted to be able to sing. I'm teaching myself how to sing, slowly but surely. I'm going to get back into guitar someday, but I'm going to pick up on piano since I have a piano now. But I'm getting into singing, I'm getting into piano. I am doing my beadwork again, which I haven't done in a very long time. Like these earrings, for instance, this is something that I took a lot of time to work on. I made these 8 years ago. So I haven't really paid a whole lot of attention to beadwork, like really, really paid attention to it in the past 8 years, up until I would say May. And that is around the time when I started doing my singing videos, which is ironically around the time that I started drinking Amari Happy Juice. Do I believe that it's connected? Absolutely. It is absolutely from the Amari Happy Juice. That stuff is absolutely incredible. I feel amazing. I don't feel like I'm on top of the world and out of control, like up and down and all over the place. No, I feel balanced, at equilibrium, and amazing and happy.